Hello everybody. Today we will review a 4-port powered USB 3.0 hub. We will look at the speeds that the hub can operate at and also dig into the key issues concerning the core USB of the product, which is its ability to accept external power. The product is sleek and appears well made. The case it is made of aluminium, which should help with heat dissipation. This hub has one input USB 3 port and 4 output USB 3 ports. It is backward compatible with USB 2 devices as well. It has an additional 5V power input which uses a micro USB pin. This should be useful to connect power-hungry devices like external hard disks. We will come back to this in a minute. Let us test it just in regular mode without the external power. We will use an SSD to test the speeds. According to the specifications, this CyberX SSD can read-write at 550 Mbps and 450 Mbps respectively. Instead of comparing against manufacturer-claimed theoretical maximums, it is better we have our test strategy inclined towards practical performance on our device. We will first connect the SSD directly to the USB 3 port of the computer, then connect it through the hub and compare the speeds. As we can see, the SSD reads at 445 Mbps and writes at 392 Mbps when connected directly. Connecting it via the hub, the speeds are 440 Mbps and 369 Mbps respectively. There is no performance degradation here. Now let's connect our micro USB port to power up this hub externally so that we can drive a couple of 5TB hard disks. The reason we need to do this is because the current on USB 3 port is limited to 900 mA, which is not enough to drive 2 hard disks. We will use this 5V 2A power brick, which happens to be a mobile charger. Micro USB is in and we can see that the blue LED light is glowing already without connecting the USB at the other end. Before connecting the hub to the computer, just to be on the safe side, we will monitor if there is any voltage on USB end so that our ports and motherboard stay safe. We will use this USB voltmeter to check it. Connecting it should... Oh boy, there is backfeed power on this. As we can understand, this voltage will be fed back to the motherboard and it can damage the USB chip on it and even worse, the board itself. I will tell you why it can happen. The voltage from this adapter is 5.3 volts. The voltage from our USB port is 5.1 volts. Although close, there is a difference and that is not good. The other thing is, when we power off the computer, the hub will continue to pump power back into the machine through the USB port. The same happens briefly when we restart the computer and the USB's power cycle. So it is not worth risking the motherboard with this, period. What the manufacturer should have done is to use a diode on the plus 5V of the host side. This would have made the power go in one direction only. I wonder how they missed out on this. We don't find the advantage of this being a powered hub. It is not safe to run from external power. If the manufacturer expects the additional power to be connected to another USB port from the same computer, it would solve the backfeed problem. But there would be no additional benefit since the ports are already sharing the power from the same USB chip on the motherboard. If we want to run it without the external power, we need not spend twice the money in the name of a powered hub. All in all, we suggest to strike off this product from your wish list. But if you're buying a different model, do remember to test thoroughly as we did before connecting a powered hub to your PC, Mac or Raspberry Pi. Just don't fry the pie in a hurry. Thanks and have a great day. This is Arjun and Vishnu signing off.